Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, I want to talk to you about XRP. XRP continues to have some pretty positive momentum behind it. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about all of the latest and greatest things going on with XRP, including the big deal they did with Japan and the Philippines and the ODL, the exchange, and all that kind of stuff. We're going to talk a little bit about the SEC stuff. Also, going to talk to you about how their global volume skyrocketed in second quarter. We're going to talk about that as well, and just have an overall state of the union. As always, I am here for you, and real simply, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Before I get started, just to remind you, if you're interested, links below to my Patreon group. Check it out. I have an inner circle level where you get access to my portfolio, all that kind of stuff. Both levels have a Discord. Also, I've incorporated a new feature in the inner circle where I give you weekly hot crypto tips, and these are cryptos that I see that are popping and things are going on. So if that's something that of interest to you, check it out. Links are below. Okay, so the overall market right now is really flat. Now, if you're looking at the 24-hour, the 7-day run, we've got a really nice run there, where Bitcoin and Ethereum came back from some pretty significant down times, okay? But right now, 24-hour, 1 hour is what I want to focus on. As you know, Ripple, I was going to say Ripple, XRP. XRP is top 6 by a long shot, out distancing the others behind it. Okay, so right now the volume though is 0.83 last hour, 1.17 up in the last 24 hours, which is, you go here, there's what we're looking at there. Okay, so kind of want to look at volume. Volume's dropped off a little bit. We had a pretty massive pump in the last couple of days when the news came down about the Japanese and the Philippines ODL deal. I'll show you that in a minute in case you didn't see that. We are going to chat about that because it is significant. Because what has happened here is that this 70 cents level has become our new support, period. Whereas before, our support was down in this kind of 60-cent range, and then we got this massive pump here. It was a spike because of that. Look at the volume, too. The volume rose accordingly with it. That's a massive rise in volume that went. Okay, so today, the 24-hour highs and lows are 69 to 73. Okay, so we're kind of right square in the middle of that, easing up maybe towards the higher end of that. And if you look at the trading view chart, exactly what I thought would happen has happened, where we've kind of settled in this kind of sideways consolidation pattern. Each of these candlesticks you see represents 1 hour's worth of trading volume, and you can see that we've established that support level is square in that, that 70, really that 70 cent range, almost perfectly in that 70 cent range in there. Now, our resistance level, I would say, I would really actually put it right here. Our resistance level is really kind of in this 71 to 71 cents. Yes, I know we've had some candlesticks that have dramatically spiked up above them. But we can see that the majority of the candles have been really turned away at this 71 level, which is just giving us this really tight trading band. Now, you can see we're inching up right here. Let me grab my little... We're inching up right here. I'm going to leave this here for the next XRP video to see if we do continue to inch up over that or if we continue to trade sideways. Okay, so it's just about whether or not we can gather some momentum, bullish momentum, right, to propel us up and continue to keep going up from there. Right here, right now, I wouldn't expect it to. If the overall Bitcoin Ethereum market doesn't really rise. And then Bitcoin and Ethereum are really kind of trading sideways. Again, you can see it right here. Look at right here. Let me scroll that down so you can see it. See, like right here, see this little candle right here? Not candle. Where'd I get that? This little trading sideways right here, right here. You can see it here. Here it's happening in everything. Binance, Cardano, XRP. You can see right here. Like everything's kind of doing. It's just kind of going flat, right? So again, XRP is just kind of poised, waiting. Okay, so I'm assuming you do know about this, but XRP, this is what happened. They basically got involved with a $1.8 billion Japanese Philippines market scenario, where they launched their ODL, their on-demand liquidity service, to facilitate XRP transfers through the Filipino remittance corridor between Japan and Philippines. Basically what this is where Philippine workers are sending money back to Japan, and it equals about $1.8 billion that's with a B, $billion a year, and they were using very costly exchange services. Now they are leveraging the XRP really the Ripple. They're leveraging the XRP Ripple on-demand liquidity ODL service. That was a mouthful. You get my point, right? It is Ripple service, and XRP transfers are how it works. Okay, so, and this is a cool thing. The other thing I want to show you, though, that's of interest to this is right here. Ripple expects the service to expand beyond the Filipino remittance corridor into other markets in the Asia-Pacific region, which it says it's, quote, exploding with growth. ODL in Japan is just the start, and we look forward to providing real-time payments to other parts of the region as well, period. So the point here is that these two paragraphs really point out a very interesting fact, and that fact is that this is just the tip of the iceberg, okay? That's a very interesting scenario to see play out, because I firmly believe that what we're going to continue to see is just more and more of this. Okay, the SEC deal. I'm assuming you know this or not. The SEC ex-SEC guy William Hinman was deposed a couple of days ago, and basically they're not going to release his deposition. And this is the latest and greatest in what's going on with the SEC lawsuit as of this second. Okay, finally wrapping up. The global XRP volume has skyrocketed 98% in the second quarter. Okay, according to Ripple's Q2 report, XRP, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, saw its trading volume soaring to 4.4 billion in the second quarter of the year, logging a 98% quarter-over-quarter increase. It is worth noting that XRP also had 4 days with the highest trading volume throughout its entire history in the second quarter. Pretty cool. Okay. It started with a bang, and then it did ease off a little bit. Let's see. Skyrocket popped to a high of $1.96. XRP did come back down, and it really came back down because the overall broader market correction. Cryptocurrency was up roughly 15% in all of Q2. Okay, so the overall, though, volatility spiked to 11.5%, which is much higher than that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we definitely have some volatility. The long and the short of it is tremendous amount of explosion in the use of XRP, which is really cool. All right. As always, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And I'm going to continue to cover XRP, continue to bring this to you. I think that XRP will start to run again. I think it's taking a breath. It will start to run again when the overall crypto markets kind of continue to run. And everybody pretty much readily agrees that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to have some pretty significant parabolic runs beginning in kind of quasi-beginning in August and September, but really hitting their stride in fourth quarter of 2021. I think XRP is going to be right there alongside of them. By the way, these would be gains that are gathered for XRP outside of any major catalyst event that is specific to XRP. My point is that XRP is going to dramatically benefit from Bitcoin and Ethereum going up. It's going to rise along with them associated. Secondly, any new XRP major huge catalyst that come, the SEC lawsuit goes Ripple's way, and or again more announcements like this Filipino remittance corridor deal, XRP is going to continue to benefit from its own catalyst, which is a darn good thing. All right, I'll see you later. Thank you for your support. Take it easy.